Welcome to today's grammar quiz. I'll ask you 20 quick questions. Pick the correct answer, and let's see how many you get right. Ready? Let's start. Question 1. Which is correct? A. She don't like tea. B. She doesn't like tea. C. She doesn't like tea. Answer. B. She doesn't like tea. Question 2. Choose the correct verb, they, to school daily. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Answer. A. Go. Question 3. Which article is correct? She is E. Engineer. A. B, and C. The. Answer. B. An. Question 4. Pick the correct preposition. The cat is hiding. The table. A. In B, under C, on I. Answer. B. Under. Question 5. What's the past tense of write? A. Writed. B. Wrote. C. Writes. Answer. B. Wrote. Question 6. What's the adverb? She runs quickly. A. Runs. B. Quickly. C. She. Answer. B. Quickly. Question 7. Which sentence is passive? A. He wrote the letter. B. The letter was written by him. C. He is writing the letter. Answer. B. The letter was written by him. Question 8. Choose the correct conjunction. He is tired. Happy. A or B, but C and answer. B, but. Question 9. Which is correct? A. She has ate lunch. B. She has eaten lunch. C. She has eating lunch. Answer. B. She has eaten lunch. Question 10. Pick the correct comparative. This movie is E than that one. A. Interesting. B. More interesting. C. Most interesting. Answer. B. More interesting. Question 11. Which sentence is correct? A. They has finished their homework. B. They have finished their homework. C. They had finished their homework. Answer. B. They have finished their homework. Question 12. Choose the correct preposition. He is afraid. Spiders. A of B on C in A of. Question 13. What is the correct form of the verb? She. Her keys yesterday. A. Lose. B. Lost. C. Loses. Answer. B. Lost. Question 14. Pick the correct sentence. A. The teacher gave us the advice. B. The teacher gave us some advice. C. The teacher gave us advices. Answer. B. The teacher gave us some advice. Question 15. Which word is the adjective? The flowers are beautiful. A. Flowers. B. Are C. Beautiful. Answer. C. Beautiful. Question 16. Choose the correct article. Sun rises in the east. A, B, and C. The answer. C. The Question 17. Which sentence is correct? A. She didn't knew the answer. B. She doesn't knows the answer. C. She doesn't know the answer. Answer. C. She doesn't know the answer. Question 18. What is the correct plural of tooth? A. Tooths. B. Teeth. C. Teeths. Answer. B. Teeth. Question 19. Choose the correct tense. They biao dinner when we arrived. A. Were eating. B. Are eating. C. Had eating. Answer. A. Were eating. Question 20. Pick the correct sentence. A. The weather is more colder today. B. The weather is colder today. C. The weather is coldest today. Answer. B. The weather is colder today. Conclusion. That's it for today's quiz. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Now let me tell you something about my channel, Pro English Skills, your ultimate destination for learning English in a simple and fun way. Our channel offers engaging stories, grammar tips, listening practice, and quizzes, all designed for beginners. Whether you're improving your language skills or starting from scratch, we've got you covered. Join us to build your confidence, enhance your vocabulary, and master English step by step. Subscribe now and start your journey to fluency today.